Before you skip the video, I want you to subscribe and I want you to join me for my upcoming sales and marketing workshop. I'm going to be showing you how to put a sales cycle, a sales script together from the greeting all the way to the follow-up so that you can get more conversions and have a professional, polished presentation for your products and services. I'm also going to show you how to put together a marketing campaign, real campaigns that get you contacts, attention, and ultimately conversions. And while you're waiting to join me for this upcoming sales and marketing workshop, those are two workshops in one, I'm going to give you access to two free workshops, one on holding companies and business systems, and the second one is going to be on financial systems, creative tax strategies. So if you're looking to start and structure an organizational enterprise like a holding company, learn how to reallocate assets in your holding company, learn how to invest through a business conglomerate like a holding company. Maybe you're looking to find creative tax strategies to maximize your profits, minimize your taxes. Those two workshops are going to prepare you so that when I see you live, virtually or in person is your choice, we'll be able to complement that training on those first two workshops with sales and marketing. All you have to do is click the link. The virtual is $29. In person, if you want to join me in person, is $69. You cannot beat this. 4 workshops for the price of one. $29 virtually, $69 in person. Don't meet me there, beat me there. Click the link. I'll see you on the other side.